Hello, baddies. Welcome back to another pre-algebra video. So today I have another two problems, which is, well, they're writing equations, alright? So we've moved on into a new era. Instead of doing fractions, which kind of still are, but we're doing equations now with them too, which makes them 500 times harder. I bought a new comic book at the comic book shop and paid entirely using quarters. If I had instead used only dimes, I would have needed 9 more coins. How much did the comic book cost? So there are actually two ways to do this, but I'm going to do it the quicker method. So, if the cost of the comic book is X, if it's X's look so fancy, they look like a underrated pie. Okay, so if I divided it, so it says if you used it by quarters, all right? So if you were trying to find how many quarters it would be X over 0.25. And we're looking for X right now, but we got to go through this step anyway, so kind of just have to go with the flow. So, since it says you would need 9 more coins if you used only dimes, then X over 0.25 plus 9, which is the amount of quarters, plus the amount of extra coins that you would need in order to be equivalent to the amount of dimes you would need, your equation should look, or would look, or could look, depending on if you're actually following along or not, something like this. So, now we shall expand. X divided by 0.25, that's 4x plus 9, which is equivalent to 10x. So 9 would be equivalent to 6x. Oh my god, that looks like 64. That is 64. I was about to write 64. Who cares? It would be 3 over 2 equals x. So x would be in terms of decimals, because that seems to be what people use to count money. It would be $1.50. Also known as $1.50, which is actually, I've never actually bought a comic, like, from my own hands from, like, a shop. And the comic books online, like, on a Kindle, are, like, $7. So I wouldn't personally know. So I think that's a cheap comic book. Y'all can tell me in the comments how wrong I am. But honestly, let's move on. The point is, we are doing math problems, not arguing about comic book costs. Anyway. Question number 2. The Phillies won 3 of their first 21 games. How many games in a row after these 21 games did the Phillies have to win in order to have won exactly 3/5 of the games they have played? So, X can be the amount of games in a row that after the 21 games, so they cannot get anything. They cannot lose, or else that's going to set them back a very big ton. So if we take X, then so they won 3 over 21 right now, right? But if we add X to the top and bottom, so 3 is how many they won, so then they won another X, and they also played another X. So it's 3 plus X over 21 plus X. And it says they have to have won, this would have to make it have won 3/5 of the games that I play. I cannot talk today, because I literally have not drunk any water, because I keep forgetting. Oh my gosh, this is a personal issue right now, like, oh my goodness. Anyway. So, I have drinking green tea, though. Today, that was very good. I still haven't finished it. It's gone cold. Anyways, this is besides the point. So, 3/5. 3 plus X over 21 plus X has to be equivalent to 3/5. So, then we butterfly, which is also my favorite. No, not my favorite. Ew, who likes butterfly? Controversy. But butterfly is my least favorite stroke in swimming. Anyway. I am stirring up so much controversy in one video that it's actually kind of scary. I don't know what got into me today. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep waiting, and you guys can follow along with my pen as I talk about controversy. I just paused. Okay, wait. Oop. Anyways, now we got 15 plus 5x equals 63 plus 3x, so we move the 3x to the other side, so 15 plus minus 3, so 2x equals 63. So minus 15 on each side. You would then get a good old 48. Fun fact, math is actually not my best subject in school. Like, you know, I'm actually better at science than I am at math, apparently, which is weird because I'm not doing any science videos because, you know, I actually don't know why I'm not doing science videos. I don't know enough, I guess. Anyways, that is the end of today's video. Oh, I just forgot to highlight this. Wait. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something new. Oh my god, that is so ugly. I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Making it wave.